हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में हमने धौलावीरा साइट्स के बारे में पढ़ा था। यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ लिया था धौलावीरा तक। अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं लोथल। लोथल मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। लोथल इज़ मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इन गुजरात। Important site of naval trade, had a dockyard, rice husk, fire altar, painted jar, modern day chess, terracotta figures of horse and ship, instrument for measuring 45, 90 and 180-degree angles, practice of burial of cremated remains. So these all belongs to Lothal, Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization. Lothal, Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization in Gujarat. Important site of naval trade, had a dockyard, rice husk, fire altar, painted jar, modern day chess, terracotta figures of horse and ship, instrument for measuring 45, 90, 180-degree angles, practice of burial of cremated remains. Next is Rakhigarhi. Rakhigarhi in Haryana is considered to be the largest site of Indus Valley civilization. It is the largest site of Indus Valley civilization and belongs to Haryana state. Granary, cemetery, drains, terracotta bricks have been found here. It is called the provincial capital of Harappan civilization. It is called provincial capital of Harappan civilization. That clear all things? Okay. Next is Ropar. Ropar is located on the banks of river Satluj in Punjab in India. Dog buried with humans. Human in oval pit burials. Copper axes. Ropar in the first Harappan site of independent India. First site to be excavated after independence. So Ropar is located on the banks of river Satluj in Punjab, India. Dog buried with human in oval pit burial. Copper axe. Ropar is the first Harappan site of independent India. First site to be excavated after independence. Next is Balathal and Kalibangan. Balathal and Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Here Bengal factory, toy carts, bones of camel, decorated bricks, citadel and lower tone fire altar. These all are belongs to Balathal and Kalibangan, and which state in Rajasthan. Balathal and Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Bengal factory, toy carts, bones of camel, decorated bricks, citadel and lower town and fire altar. Next is Surkota in Gujarat. First actual remains of the horse bone. Next is Banawali in Haryana on the dried up Saraswati river. Toy plug, barley grains, lapis lazuli, fire altar, oval shaped settlement, only city with radial streets and oval shaped settlements. Next is Alamgirpur in Meerut. Uttar Pradesh, on the banks of Yamuna, easternmost site of IVC. IVC means Indus Valley Civilization. Major findings are broken blade made of copper. Okay, here it is. Alamgirpur in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, on the banks of Yamuna, easternmost site of IVC. Major findings are broken blade made of copper, ceramic items and impression of a cloth on a trough. Mehergarh in Pakistan, considered precursor to Indus Valley civilization. Pottery, copper tools have been found. Next is Chanudaro, Lancashire of India, located in present day Pakistan. Only Indus city without a citadel. Is known as Chunandaro. Bead making factory and use of lipstick has been found here. Again see, it is without a citadel and bead making factory and use of lipstick has been found from Chunandaro. Next is Kot Dizzy, located in present-day Pakistan. Tar, statue of bull, mother goddess have been excavated from here. Excavated means to reveal by digging. Okay. Next is Suktagander, westernmost site of IVC. Westernmost site of IVC, located in where? Pakistan. Bangles of clay have been found here from Suktagander. Westernmost site of IVC, located in where? In country Pakistan. Next is Balu, Haryana. Balu belongs to Haryana. Various plant remains have been found. Earliest evidence of garlic. So early evidence of garlic found from Balu, Haryana civilization. Next is Daimabad. Daimabad belongs to Maharashtra. Daimabad belongs to Maharashtra. Southernmost site of IVC. Southernmost site of IVC. Bronze sculpture including a bronze chariot has been discovered here. फिर केरला नूदोड़ो in Gujarat, salt production center IVC. Okay, Kerala Nundoro, Gujarat, salt production center during IVC. Next is Kotbala. Kotbala belongs to Pakistan. Earliest evidence of furnace. Furnace is related to closed vessel to produce heat. So Kotbala is the first Indian Valley civilization from where earliest evidence of furnace found. Next is Mand. Mand is Jammu and Kashmir, right? Belongs to Mand civilization related to Jammu and Kashmir, northern most site of IVC. Again, IVC means Indus Valley civilization. Other prominent sites of IVC include Mehergarh, belongs to Pakistan, Desalpur, Gujarat, Pabhumat, Gujarat, Rangpur, Gujarat, Shikarpur, Gujarat, right? Sanauli, UP, Kunal, Haryana, Karanpur, राजस्थान, गनेरीवाला पंजाब, एक्सेट्रा. तो फ्रेंड्स एक बार हम फिर से रिवीजन कर लेते हैं जो भी हमने पढ़ा है, जिससे क्या हो जाए हमें एक बार कंप्लीट लर्न हो जाए. देखो, फर्स्ट था हमने लोथल पढ़ा. लोथल है मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. लोथल इज मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, बिलोंग्स टू गुजरात. लोथल सिविलाइजेशन बिलोंग्स टू गुजरात. नेवल ट्रेड, डॉक यार्ड, राइस हस्क, fire altar, painted jar, modern day chess, terracotta figures of horse and ship, instrument for measuring 45, 90 and 180 degree angles, practice of burial of cremated remains. They all are found from Lothal, Manchester of Indus Valley civilization, belongs to Gujarat state. Naval trade, dockyard, rice husk, naval trade, dockyard, rice husk, fire altar, painted jar, modern day chess, terracotta figures of horse and ship, instrument for measuring 45, 90 and 180 degree. This is important. From where instrument for measuring 45, 90 and 180 degree angles? From where, which civilization? Lothal civilization. It is also known as Manchester of Indus Valley civilization and belongs to Gujarat. Okay. Next is Rakhi Gadi. Rakhi Gadi belongs to which state? Haryana in India. Largest site of Indus Valley civilization. It is largest site of Indus Valley civilization. Which civilization? Rakhi Gadi, largest site of Indus Valley civilization. And from here, granary, cemetery, drains, terracotta, bricks all are found. And it is called the provisional capital of Harappan civilization. That means Rakhi Gadi in Haryana is called the provincial capital of Harappan civilization. Okay, so next is Ropar. Ropar on the banks of river Satluj in Punjab. Okay, Ropar civilization belongs to on the banks of river Satluj in Punjab, India. From here, dog buried with human in oval pit burial, copper axe. Ropar in the first Harappan site of independent India. So this is also important line. Ropar is the first Harappan site of independent India. Ropar, and belongs to which state? Punjab, and bank of river Satluj. Okay, and it is first site to be excavated after independence. So which is site is excavated after independence? Ropar site. Okay, Ropar Indus Valley civilization. Next is Balathal. Balathal and Kalibangan, it is belongs to Rajasthan state. Okay, तो राजस्थान से हमें क्या मिला है? Bengal factory, toy carts, bones of camels, decorated bricks, citadel, lower town, fire altar, they all are belongs to Balathal and Kalibangan, and it is belongs to Rajasthan state. Okay, Balathal and Kalibangan, Rajasthan. And from here, Bengal factory, toy cars, bones of camel, decorated bricks, citadel, lower town, and fire altar. Okay, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 things. Okay, Bengal factory, toy cars, bones of camel, decorated bricks, citadel, lower town, and fire altar. Next is Surkodda in Gujarat. Okay, Surkodda in Gujarat, I think it is visible. Yes, Surkodda in Gujarat. It is first actual remains of the horse bone. First actual site remains of horse bone. Surkodda in Gujarat. Okay. Next site we are talking about Banawali. Banawali in Haryana state. Banawali in Haryana on the dried up Saraswati river. Okay, on the bank of Saraswati river, and it is dried. Okay, so toy plug, barley grains, lapis lazuli, and fire altar, oval shaped settlement, and only city with radial streets and oval shaped settlement. These all are belongs to Banawali, and Banawali civilization belongs to Haryana on the dried up Saraswati river banks of. And toy plug, barley grains, lapis lazuli, fire altars, oval shaped settlement belongs to Banawali. Okay, only site with radial streets and oval shaped settlement. Next is Alamgirpur, and Alamgirpur belongs to which state? Belongs to Uttar Pradesh, Meerut. Okay, it is on the bank of Yamuna river. Easternmost side of IVC is Alamgirpur in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Broken blade made of copper, ceramic items, and impression of cloth on a trough. Trough means open pot used to feed animals. So pot used to feed animal found from which civilization? Alamgirpur, and it is belongs to Meerut, Uttar Pradesh on the banks of Yamuna. This is Yamuna. Okay, I think it is visible on the banks of Yamuna, easternmost side of IVC, Alamgirpur. Broken blade made of copper. It is also found from Alamgirpur, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Ceramic items and impression of a cloth on a trough. That means open pot used to feed animals. Next is Mehergarh. So we are talking about Mehergarh. Mehergarh belongs to in Pakistan. This civilization belongs to Pakistan. Precursor to Indus Valley civilization, and pottery and copper tools. They all are found from Mehergarh in Pakistan. Mehergarh belongs to Pakistan. Okay, precursor to Indus Valley civilization. From here, pottery, copper tools. Next is Chanudaro. Chanudaro is a Lancashire of India. Lancashire of India, Pakistan. It is also belongs to Pakistan. Mehergarh also belongs to Pakistan, and Chanudaro is also belongs to Pakistan. Only IVC without a citadel. So this is important line. Which IVC is without a citadel? Chanudaro, and it is belongs to Pakistan and Lancashire of India. Okay, so bead making factory, use of lipstick. This is important. From where use of lipstick found? Chanudaro, Lancashire of India. Next is Court disease also belongs to Pakistan. So Tar, statue of bull, mother goddess, they all are Court disease, belongs to Court disease civilization. Tar, statue of bull, right, and mother goddess. Next is Suktagandar. Suktagandar is a westernmost side of IVC, Pakistan. Bangles of clay have been found from here. So this is important. Bangles of clay found from Suktagandar, and it is belongs to Pakistan, westernmost side of IVC. Okay. Next is Balu, right? Balu from Haryana in India. Various plant. Earliest evidence of garlic. So earliest evidence of garlic found from Balu. Balu belongs to Haryana in India. Next is Dehmabad, Maharashtra, again India. Demabad, Maharashtra, right? In Maharashtra state in India. Demabad civilization. It is southernmost site of IVC. Southern means right? Understand? So south most side of IVC. Bronze sculpture including a bronze sculpture including a bronze chariot has been discovered from Demabad, Maharashtra. Kerala Nudaro. Kerala Nudaro belongs to Gujarat state. Like this, it is pronounced like Keral, but it is belongs to Gujarat, not Keral. Okay, Kerala Nudaro, it is belongs to Gujarat state. Kerala Nudaro, Gujarat, and it is salt production center during IVC. IVC means again Indus Valley civilization, and it is belong to Gujarat in India, our country, right? Kodbala, Pakistan. Kodbala civilization belongs to Pakistan. Earliest evidence of furnace. Again, furnace means closed vessel to produce heat. So, from where closed vessel to produce heat found? Kodbala. Kodbala belongs to Pakistan. Earliest evidence of furnace. Furnace means closed vessel to produce heat. And the last, Mand. Mand belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. It is northernmost site of IVC. Jammu and Kashmir belongs to India, right? Mand, Jammu and Kashmir, northernmost site of IVC, right? Now, Mehergarh, it is belongs to Pakistan. Mehergarh civilization, Pakistan. Desalpur, Gujarat. Pabumat, again Gujarat in India. Vesalpur, again Gujarat in India. Rangpur, Gujarat in India. Sikarpur, Gujarat, right? Sanauli, UP in India. Kunal, Haryana, right? Karanpura, Rajasthan. And Ganeri Wala is Punjab. Mehergarh, Pakistan. Desalpur, Gujarat. Pabumat, Gujarat. Rangpur, Gujarat. Sikarpur, Gujarat. Sanauli, UP. Kunal, Haryana. Karanpura, Rajasthan. And last, Ganeri Wala, Punjab, right? So friends, I hope you will like this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.